Hello everyone, welcome back to Creating Chaos. My name is Heather, this is Chandler, and this is Tika, or Tesla, but I've been calling him Tika because he is a pre-car, named after the scientist, nothing to do with Elon Musk. Now that that is cleared up, this is Tesla, this is Chandler, my name is Heather. Chaos. All right, stop it. He hates crows. I bought a microphone. I hope that that helps with the sound quality of these videos, and that maybe you can't hear Chandler licking my feet right now. I've got kind of a fun project today that's going to be just a quick, easy furniture flip. And that is because I keep acquiring things for my living room that I plan on making over, and then I don't. So I gotta start doing that before my husband goes insane and leaves me. All right, anyway, side table. Side table. So, this is said table. I really liked the shape. Let's see if I can rest this here. I really liked the shape of these legs, but obviously I hate the brushed silver nonsense, and the top is in pretty rough condition. So I'm gonna pop these legs off, give it a nice sand, and we'll carry on from there. Ugly yellow sanded off, nice bare wood, and I am ready to give this a little facelift. You know, normally people will use one type of stain, which is the norm, but I had a fun idea. I picked up these stain markers from my local hardware store, $9.50, obviously, for all of them. That's Canadian, so cheaper in the States, I am sure. And I wanted to do kind of a leopard print with wood stain so that you'll still be able to see the wood texture. This might be terrible, we'll see. I'm using walnut and mahogany. And I'm going to just create my little leopard cheetah print. So I guess I'm just gonna jump into it and start in the middle. I'm just doing these kind of like little scruffy C's and circles, just kind of whatever shape I'm feeling that goes with kind of like a leopard print. You want it to be kind of irregular so that it looks not too planned out, not, you know, repetitive, and I don't know, just go with it. Probably just montage this. Now I'm just giving it a quick coat of one of the stains that I have on hand, Early American. Okay, while I wait for everything to dry, I am going to put these legs back together. Chandler's also very hyper. All right, so shockingly, I remembered where I put these bolts. He's chewing it on my back. All right, let's start putting this back together. This is all back together. That's so close to my eye. I didn't tighten these too much because I want to put them onto the table first, but it's still drying, so now we wait. Some of the top coat didn't come off the way that I wanted it to. You can kind of see the shine. Yeah. You know what? It just kind of adds to the effect of it, and it's a leopard print, so that kind of camouflages it a little bit. It doesn't bother me at all. I think it looks pretty good for my first time using a sander since shop class in junior high. So yeah, overall I'm not mad at it. I like it. I'm kind of really enjoying how the leopard print turned out. I'm squishing my mic. But yeah, I could have done a better job. Maybe next time, if I try this again, it'll turn out better. The back, on the other hand, kind of bad, but you know, it's the underneath of a table. If it really bothers me, I'll make a new video. But for now, I'm gonna attach the legs again. Ow! Oh my God. Okay, maybe I should have assembled this as I attach it or something. I don't know. I'll just hold it together for now. Just holding it together. Thanks again so much for tuning in. I've been really enjoying making these videos for you, so it means so much that people are watching, subscribing, and liking and commenting, all of that good stuff. I really hope that this channel inspires you to do something a little different with your decor and have fun and really explore what's your own style and just, you know, just create some chaos. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to Chandler. So do it.